asuntoskeittiö Veijon Salpa.
Today is the 29th of July 2021. We have Raappavuorenreuna's couple of Bergskanten, two staircases here in Martinlaakso, modernized, Vantaa, Western Vantaa here in the Helsinki Sports region, Uusimaa, Finland, Finland. This glass is different here. It's built in 1972, turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022. Oops. The serial number is H28112 and the Kone here. It's very interesting. It's going to be inspected in 2023. There'll be 6 pictures for stop the run, but it's otherwise MP8. Let's ride it. Back to the first one. Maybe this was finished later in 1972.
Yeah.
Because the first 3 staircases didn't have the same logo. But here it's Kone.
Yeah. Inspected by, inspected by Suomen hisseurkointi.
Yeah. Oh!
Just 7 floors.
7 floors, not 6. Maybe because this has 7 floors here, they built it a bit more differently. Like this glass is different.
Yeah.
And then there's a logo here.
Yeah.
But still, I think they could have been made faster.
Yeah, of course.
We have 2 more staircases to go, staircase E and F. Staircases E and F, and those will be the 2 last here. And that's it, thank you very much for watching. Please also watch all the other staircases here.
That's it.